Earth is full of beautiful places, but some of them, that will kill you fast. These are the most extreme places on the planet, where your body fails in minutes or seconds. From poisonous pits and boiling lakes to mountains so high, your lungs begin to fail. Today on Map Mind, the deadliest places on Earth and how long you'd last if you ever set foot there. 1. Death by altitude. The top of the world. Mount Everest. 8,848 meters up. It's beautiful and deadly. Oxygen here is just a third of what you get at sea level. Even with training, your body starts shutting down. And without supplemental oxygen, you'd likely pass out in minutes. Your brain swells, lungs fill with fluid, and frostbite hits fast. Temperatures can drop to minus 60 degrees Celsius. That's why climbers call it the death zone. 2. Hell on Earth. Next stop, the Danakil Depression. Surreal wasteland of acid lakes, sulfur fields, and volcanic vents. It's one of the hottest places on Earth. Temperatures regularly top 50 degrees Celsius. Add acidic air and toxic gas emissions, and even breathing becomes dangerous. No towns, no shade, no water. Stay too long, and game over. 3. The lake that burns. Lake Natron looks like a blood-red alien world, but that color comes from salt-loving microorganisms. The lake is highly alkaline. Its pH reaches 10.5. Like ammonia, it burns skin, blinds eyes, and calcifies small animals. Swim in it, you're toast. 4. The mountain that eats men. Cerro, Rico, Bolivia. To the Spanish Empire, it was the mountain of silver. To those who worked it, it was the mountain that eats men. At over 4,000 meters elevation, oxygen is already thin. But inside the mountain, it's worse. Dust, toxic gases, collapsing tunnels. Historians estimate 8 million people have died here since the 1500s. Even today, young boys still mine its slopes without protection. This isn't just a dangerous place. It's one of the deadliest work sites in human history. 5. Valley of Death, Kamchatka. Invisible kill zone. Don't let the beauty fool you. Kamchatka's Valley of Death looks like a peaceful volcanic meadow, but it's one of the most toxic places on Earth. The ground emits invisible clouds of hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, deadly gases that pool in low areas. Animals enter and simply drop dead mid-step. In the 1970s, scientists found dozens of bear and bird carcasses. They almost didn't make it out either. One breath too deep, and you're gone. 6. The frozen death trap, known as the northernmost settlement on mainland Russia. Dixon lies on the edge of the Laptev Sea, where the Arctic bites hardest. The temperature? Brutal, routinely below minus 40 degrees Celsius, and with wind chill, it feels closer to minus 60 degrees Celsius. In winter, the sun disappears for weeks. But it's not just the cold, it's the isolation. This region is a maze of frozen tundra, shifting sea ice, and blinding whiteouts. One wrong step off the beaten path, and you're lost in a landscape where GPS falters and there's no signal to call for help. Rescue? Days away. Shelter? Non-existent. And if the blizzards hit, you're done. This isn't just cold. It's a cold that erases you. Welcome to the frozen death trap. 7. Antarctica's Ice Caves. Trapped in a frozen maze. Beneath Antarctica's glaciers are tunnels carved from ancient ice. They shimmer in blue light, stunning but deceptive. Temperatures plunge to minus 40 degrees Celsius, and the ice constantly shifts. Tunnels collapse. Visibility drops to zero. Even sound becomes unreliable. Lose your bearings? You'll freeze long before anyone finds you. 8. The lake that suffocates. Lake Nyos in Cameroon looks peaceful until it isn't. In 1986, it exploded, releasing a cloud of CO2. It crept into villages and suffocated 1,700 people in their sleep. The gas displaced all oxygen, turning the air itself into a killer. This rare event is called a limnic eruption. It can happen again. 9. Blue flames of doom. At night, Indonesia's Kawah Ijen glows with electric blue fire. It's beautiful and deadly, the electric blue glow, burning sulfur gas. Miners harvest bright yellow crystals while breathing air so toxic it can melt your lungs. Even gas masks don't offer full protection. 10. Crushed by pressure. The Mariana Trench, 11,000 meters below sea level. Down here, pressure is over 1,000 times that at the surface. Without a submersible, your body would be instantly crushed. It's the closest thing to outer space and Earth. 11. Otakama Desert, where nothing grows. Parts of Chile's Otakama Desert haven't seen rain in centuries. It's the driest non-polar place on the planet. No water, no shade, no life. Try surviving a day without gear. You won't make it. 12. The volcano that runs. Mount Nyiragongo in the Congo doesn't just erupt, it sprints. In 2002, lava flowed into the city of Goma at nearly 100 kilometers per hour. The lava is fast, thin, and hot, over 1,200 degrees Celsius. Get too close, and your skin scorches. Fall in, you combust before you even touch it. 13. Frozen to the core. Welcome to Oymyakon, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Winter temperatures drop to minus 71 degrees Celsius. Cars freeze, eyelashes shatter. Breathe too deeply, and your lungs can be damaged. Locals survive, but most of us wouldn't last the morning. 14. Forever burning. In Turkmenistan, a crater named the Door to Hell has been burning for over 50 years. A Soviet drilling rig collapsed into a gas pocket, so they lit it. Expected it to burn out in weeks. But to their surprise, it's still burning today. If you get too close, the heat blisters your skin. Fall in, you're incinerated instantly. 15. The edge of Earth. Technically still Earth, technically dead. Just 100 kilometers up. You're still in Earth's atmosphere, but there's no oxygen. Temperatures swing from blistering to minus 200 degrees Celsius. Without a suit, your blood boils, your lungs collapse, and your eyes freeze. You'd have 15 seconds of consciousness, then nothing. Earth isn't all beaches and forests. Some places are so extreme they push the limits of life. They remind us that while we may rule the surface, nature still holds the power to end us in seconds. Subscribe for more mind-bending geography and join MapMine Nation and tell us in the comments. Which of these places would you visit if you could survive it?